Now the most interesting part of the story. Stories. People create stories in the name of their gods. Once upon a time, I was walking down on the street, and then there was so much heat in the air. Atmosphere was so hot, and I looked at the sky and I said, "God, please help me, give me raining, make that this weather cool because I am traveling alone. Please do help me." And suddenly, the sun is hiding and the moon hiding and the when I looked the sky, a large piece of cloud came over my head, and he was raining. Just, thunder strikes were happening in that, and I was looking at, wow. And then I said, God, thank you so much for helping me. And in a sudden, the weather was cold. The whole extreme weather transformed into cold, and it started raining, very slow, pouring down water, and the atmosphere was very beautiful in a sudden. And then I travel down the road very peacefully, calm. And then I reach the destination. And when I reach the destination, I look back, the weather was back to hot. How was the story? This is how people used to invent the stories of the name of the fair gods. Because they will say, people will say, who do you worship? Oh, I worship Allah. Who do you worship? I worship Allah. And who do you worship? I worship Krishna. And who do you worship? I worship Jesus. So when people ask each others, you will see the contradiction because how is it possible? Krishna is reigning, Allah is reigning, Jesus is reigning, Hanuman is reigning, then who really is the reigning? I created this. If I ask you who created this, Hanuman created this, Ram created this, Allah created this, or who created this, you will have no confusion because you have clarity. You will say, you created this. Yes, I created it. I know I created it. I'm a single creator, alone. There is no one with me here right now. It clears if the creator is one. There is no partner, no another, none another. I alone am the creator of this God, of the concept of the God. If I say this, this is much better. I am the creator of the concept of this God. I can never create a God because I was created in the womb of my mother. Someone created me in the womb of my mother. When I did not exist, how can I be the creator of the God of universe? A God can be creator of me, but I cannot be creator of God. It's a simple concept. Do you understand now? And why and how people invent fake stories in the name of gods? I see, you will see the stories of the gods like gods are fighting with each other. Gods are doing the marriage. Gods having sex with each other. Gods having wives and sons. And gods have their ascendants and their own children. This is son of that. This is son of that. This is son of that God. This is son of that God. And who is the grandfather God? That one is the grandfather God. The God is doing the sex for giving the birth to the child. Where? When? Who looked that kind of bullshit nonsense stories? No one. All this is the mind and imagination. Have you ever seen with your own eyes a God is coming in front of you? No, you will never see. You will never see. I never seen it. How can you see that? You will never see it. Have you ever seen the wife of God, son of God in front of your own eyes? I'm not talking about any movie, any video, any script, anything, any story. No, nothing. Where eyewitness? Have you been eyewitness of the God or son of God, the wife of God, or the fight of God, or the sex of God, or doing the giving the birth of to the children? Have you ever seen this all with your own eyes? If you have never seen, how can you write the story about that if you have never seen it? If event did not even happen and you are not an eyewitness, how you know this is happening in the universe? How you are looking at the God and the life of God? All stories are fake in the name of gods which are fabricated. That's simple.